Jim from No Worries RVing. Today we have hopefully a quick video. We're going to replace our existing RV thermostat with a electronic one that's not exactly programmable, but it's digital. And I'll show you our existing thermostat we have in our camper. It's a Suburban thermostat. We think it's 2-wire. Pretty sure. As you can see, the temperature in the camper right now is somewhere between 70 and 80, but that's really all the information you get. And if you want to set a temperature, you just choose a dash, one of these dashes here, with the tick marks. There's 9 of them, and they progressively go up from colder to warmer. And so you can't set an actual temperature. You just set somewhere where it feels comfortable. And for us in the middle of the night, we're always up changing it. So we decided, well, let's make a change. My package just arrived here from Amazon. And I purchased a Honeywell Pro 1000 thermostat. It says it's not programmable. Not programmable at all, but at least it's electronic, so you can actually set a temperature and not some dash, you know. It's heat only, and it's probably going to be battery powered. And of course it says it's for professional install only. So anyway, we're going to install this. So the first step is going to be to unwire this one and get it off the wall. First steps, we pull this off. So there's 2 screws that hold it in. So we're going to take those off. Okay, I took off the 2 screws that hold it to the wall, and it looks like there's 2 screws, or 2 wires, a red and a white. So I'm going to unwire the thermostat now. I'm going to open up the new thermostat box. Looks like we have a set of instructions, an installation guide. Came with a set of batteries, which is great. A couple of screws. Here's the thermostat itself. There's 1 switch on, it's off or heat. And there's up and down arrows. So fairly simple. Looks like this thermostat has a back plate here that comes off. It comes off. And it's got 2 wires. Place for a red and a white wire. And they're labeled. You know, this bottom one's white, top one's red. The C is optional with batteries, so we're going to have batteries on ours, so we don't need the C. And of course our 2 thermostat wires here, one's red and one's white, so convenient. But my problem is I'm going to need a smaller screwdriver to be able to get these off. So I'll come back to you here in a minute as soon as I find a smaller screwdriver. But it looks like all I do is mount this to the wall, and then this snaps, and then this part here will just snap onto it after I put the batteries in, and it'll be set. Okay, the mounting plate is mounted to the wall. All I need to do now is put the batteries into the controlling device here. There's a place here for batteries. And then plug it in and see if it works. Okay, we have the new Honeywell digital thermostat installed on the wall here. And right now it shows it to be 79 degrees in the camper. And this is heat only, so I'm going to have to turn this up to, well, I got to turn it on heat first. And I'd set at 72, but it's set at, let's say, at 81. And we'll check to see if the heater comes on. And there's the heater. So the thermostat seems to be working just fine. These digital thermostats are really nice. In addition to being able to control your heater, a secondary benefit is you also get a thermostat for your camper. So you can always look at it and see what temperature your camper is set at the time, or what it is inside. So instead of using those little hash marks, you get an actual number to set it at. So to us, it works out just perfect. No more, fighting over, well, I think it's 72 and I think it's 79. So that eliminates all that. You can actually look at it and see what the temperature is and what you have the thermostat set at. So I'm going to turn this off. So thanks for watching. I hope you have subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Give us a thumbs up if you're inclined. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.